Hey everyone, welcome back. So today let's start our session with some questions related to differentiation. So let's say first question, fx is equal to 0 integration 0 to x under root 1 plus t to the power 4 dt, and we have to find f dash x, that is we have to differentiate this fx. Okay, and let's see another question. So these questions you have to do, right? So the second question is integration 0 to x square 1 plus it's t square dt, and then here also we have to find f dash x. Okay, now the third question is let's say fx is equal to 0 to x cos t square dt. Here also you have to find f dash x. And let me make it clear that this is not partial differential equation. Okay, so how to differentiate when you have t in the question and you have to differentiate with respect to x. So for all these type of question you just need one kind of formula, which is fx if fx is equal to integration 0 to vx. Vx means a function of x. Okay, it can be x or x square or anything. F of t dt, if this is the case, then if we have to find f dash x, we just need to put vx in place of t, that is f of vx, and into v dash x. Okay, so this will be the answer. Let's try to solve. Now first question is f dash x. Okay, so here f of vx. Okay, here vx is x. Now the function is under root 1 plus t to the power 4, so we just need to write 1 plus, in place of t we have to write x. Okay, and the differentiation of x is 1. So this is the answer. Now in the second case, here we have to write x square in place of t. So x square to the power 2, and in multiplication we write 2x. Okay, now in the third question it is cos x square into 1. Okay, this was asked in the previous years of GATE. So fx was given by 0 to x integration e to the power minus t square by 2 dt, and Taylor series of fx at x equal to 0 was given by a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on, and we have to find a2. Okay, see, Taylor series of fx at x equal to 0 means Maclaurin series. Okay, so let's write fx is equal to f0 plus x f dash 0 plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash 0 and so on. Okay, so this is actually the Maclaurin series. So on comparing, a2 is equal to f double dash 0 upon 2 factorial. Now we have to find f double dash 0, right? But at first we have to find f dash x and then f double dash x, and then we will put x equal to 0. So now you know that f dash x is e to the power minus x square upon 2, simple, into 1. Now f double dash x will be e to the power minus x square upon 2 into differentiation of minus x square upon 2, which is minus 2x upon 2, and into 1. So if we check, we have x in multiplication, so f double dash 0, what it will be? It will be 0, so a2 is 0. This is the answer. This was 2-mark question. Now let's start a new chapter, differential equations, and it needs our previous knowledge of calculus. So I have divided it in different topics. So first one will be order and degree, Then second, we will see how to form differential equation from simple equation like y equal to x, right, or how to make it a differential equation. And then we will see the solution of differential equation which was only of first order. So there are three methods. First is variable separation. Here first is direct, and then second will be reducible to variable separation. Second will be linear differential equation. Again, they are direct and reducible to linear differential equation. The third is Bernoulli's differential equation, which is non-linear, but I have put it in linear differential equations only. Now then, the third part is exact differential equation. There will be 4 rules to find integrating factor. So this will be our course of first order. Okay. And then we have higher order differential equations where order is greater than 1. Here we have 2 types: homogeneous, where we have to find yc, which is complementary function, and non-homogeneous, where we have to find particular integral and yc. And yp, we have different type like sine, cos, ex and vx and etc. So this will be our course of differential equations. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.